inside of me now. I don't need a hero to survive.